Did you know that over 20% of Americans experience serious side effects from prescription drugs every year? While medications can save lives, they often come with risks like nausea, fatigue, and even organ damage. But what if you could manage your health naturally, using plants that have been trusted for centuries? Stick around because today, we're diving into one of nature's hidden gems, the Plectranthus amboinicus, also known as Indian borage or Cuban oregano, a powerhouse herb with incredible health benefits. So, what exactly is Plectranthus amboinicus? This plant is a small aromatic herb with thick, fleshy leaves. Its leaves are green, slightly hairy, and give off a strong, minty aroma when crushed. It's native to regions like India and Southeast Asia, but has spread globally due to its medicinal value. Now, let's explore why this humble herb deserves a spot in your home. Here are 5 scientifically backed health benefits of Plectranthus amboinicus leaves. Relieves respiratory issues. Studies show that compounds like carvacrol and thymol in these leaves have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This makes them great for soothing coughs, colds, and asthma. Inhaling steam with crushed leaves can help clear nasal congestion naturally. Boosts digestive health. Plectranthus amboinicus is known to stimulate digestive enzymes. Research indicates it can alleviate indigestion, bloating, and even prevent ulcers caused by stress or poor diet. Supports skin health. The leaves have antibacterial properties that help treat acne, wounds, and minor burns. A study published in Pharmacognosy magazine highlights its effectiveness in speeding up wound healing. Regulates blood sugar levels. Preliminary studies suggest this herb may help stabilize blood sugar. Its active compounds could benefit people with diabetes when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Boosts immune function. Rich in antioxidants, Plectranthus amboinicus leaves combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your immune system. It's nature's way of keeping you resilient against diseases. Incorporating Plectranthus amboinicus into your routine is easy. Herbal tea. Boil 2 to 3 fresh leaves in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey for sweetness. Steaming. Crush the leaves, add them to hot water, and inhale the steam for respiratory relief. Topical use. Blend the leaves into a paste and apply directly to minor wounds or acne spots. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying herbal remedies, especially if you're on medication. Are you ready to take your health into your own hands with the power of herbs like Plectranthus amboinicus? Let me know in the comments which benefit surprised you the most. And don't forget to like this video to show your support. Subscribe to Healthy for more amazing health tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Your journey to better health starts here. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.